So today I will be reviewing this fragrance by Bath and Body Works. It's Beautiful Day, and it has been on and off Bath and Body Works website. So yeah, let's review it. Daisy Peony, Pink Peony, Daisy, and Apple. That is what the note says on Fragrantica, and I do like the fragrance. It's very fresh, and it's an apple fragrance. So I wanted to compare it, this fragrance, with apple juice from Zara, and I wanted to compare it with Studio West Cancun, and then I want to compare this with Kayali Eden Juicy Apple, so that you have an idea as to what kind of an apple this one contains. So let's just spray it on a piece of paper and tell you how this smells like. So on first sniff, I do get a very like a floral. First, I get a juicy freshness from the apple with slight green note to it. Like if you cut a stem, you get that grassy green note that is very slight in the top note. It has like a linear note to it. As I said, it has apple, daisy, and peony. And straight away you go to the, like, you get a burst of floral that feels very powdery. It has powdery florals, I would say, not exactly like powder, but with the apple it feels very crisp, very clean powdery fragrance, I would say. This is what I get from Beautiful Day, with a hint of green note and the background, which kind of upsets me, and that's the reason why I am selling it. I am not a fan of like the green grassy note, even if it is in the slightest, like if even if it contains even slight amount of green note, I don't really prefer fragrances like that, and that's the reason why I'm selling it out. Yeah, it has that grassy green note to it, which kind of upsets, because it is a beautiful fragrance. If it if it did not had those, like if it was, if that green note was absent, I would have considered using it, but I cannot use it because somehow it does down the fragrance. If you know what I mean by a green note, you know. Yeah, that's the reason why I don't like it. That's the only reason. So again, let's just compare it with Zara apple juice. Zara apple juice is something which has always been my favorite, and Zara apple juice is straight up white, clean girl, sort of like a white fragrance, I would say. Apple juice has that crisp apple, not a fruity note, but a nice, it's a clean fragrance, I would say. If you want something clean from Zara, you can opt for apple juice. It has nothing fruity in it. It says apple juice, but it has nothing fruity in it. It's a crisp, clean fragrance with woody and musky notes. That is not too strong. That is subtle enough to be called a clean fragrance. And yeah, that's the reason you can see how much I've used it. And it is very different from Beautiful Day. Beautiful Day is a crisp, powdery fragrance, while apple juice is a crisp, clean fragrance with musky and woody notes. So yeah, that's the difference between the two. Both of them are totally different from each other. Beautiful Day has that green note which becomes a bit prominent later on. But yeah, apple juice is very different from Beautiful Day. It has no such apple or even closest or even similar to Beautiful Day. So the next fragrance is this one from Studio West. It's the Studio West Cancun, and I have it here. Let's just. It has a very like a limey or a sour apple. If you have ever had a bite on a sour apple, that is like very like a khatta apple, I would say, which is like juicy and it has juices flowing out of a khatta apple that is not too sweet and it has sourness to it. That is the kind of note you get from Studio West Cancun. It's a very fruity, juicy apple that is sour, and Beautiful Day is very different from Studio West Cancun, so cannot compare it with that. So yeah, both of them are not at all similar. So that is what I have to say about this. Moving to Kayali Eden Juicy Apple, and yeah, Kayali Eden Juicy Apple has that candy like sweetness, fruitiness with slight florals, muskiness, and woodiness too. So yeah, even Kayali Juicy Eden Juicy Apple is not similar to Kayali Eden Juicy Apples dries down into like a toffee, like a very sweet toffee like candy like fragrance with juicy apple in the background. Yeah, now I can smell just the sweetness. So yeah, that is it with the comparison. And if you like a fragrance that has apple in it and that has powdery notes to it, you can go for this one. It's a nice fragrance overall, but I don't like the green note. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.